Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making a refreshing avocado shrimp salad. You will need 12 ounces of raw peeled deveined shrimp. We will be steaming the shrimp, but first let's season them with a little salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Here you see me loading the steamer basket. What you want to do is make sure that your pot comes up to a full boil, and then put in your steamer basket, put the lid on the pot, and the shrimp will be done in 3 to 4 minutes. Remove them from the steamer and put them into the refrigerator while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Quarter 9 ounces of cherry tomatoes, dice 1 bell pepper. Red, yellow, or orange are preferred for a more delicate flavor. Dice 1/4 of a large white onion, and we're going to cube 2 avocados, juice 1 lime directly over the avocado, and this will keep them from browning. Mince a handful of cilantro, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add in the shrimp, gently mix the ingredients together, and the avocado shrimp salad is ready to serve. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye!